They say that as it stand right now, that the Fulani Heřdsmán don't use the governor of Enugu State go arrest one content creator. What did they call Ebube Joseph? Don't be smart, you know. Waiting be the crime of this content creator because in talk against waiting Fulani they do for Enugu State. How they tell they buy farmers and how they tell they buy the indigenous of the land and collecting the land from them. Why the government, the governor himself remain mute on all these things that is happening. Now be the crime, that's why this governor go carry this guy enter inside DSS. Now we go play the videos of wetin the guy talk and we go call talk small things for inside the video. My people, when I go say where would they all this why? No be smart, you know. They say that as it be like this now, it be like say that they follow fight also. Now we say we go break small before we return back. Can't tell now how things they go, but however we dey here gidigbam, they bring you back to back update. Your own work now to share and may you let others know say pop info still dey here the trend, so may you try share the video. So not forget saying that the same person that still they run balabas g's share the videos. Now let us play the video for you, may you watch before we come back and continue.
Governor Peter Mba, the governor of Enugu State, if you have any link or any agreement with Fulani Heřdsmán, come out and public and tell the Enugu State. Since how many years now the Amufi is on fire? They are slaughtering people, massacring people. Today, our mothers, they came to do protests. Fulani Heřdsmán, they are sleeping with them. When they will, after sleeping with them, they will carry stick, put for their vagina. They are leaving our mothers, our sisters in the village. After they left them, they will carry stick, soup for their vagina, wound them, slaughtering them. This is what is happening in Enugu State. And we have somebody that calls himself governor. You never stand up as a governor to condemn the evil that is happening in your state. For how many years now, they are slaughtering people, both mothers, fathers, children, raping people in our Amufi village. And you call yourself a governor. You don't want to stand up to condemn it. You are keeping silent. If there is any agreement you have with Fulanis, come out public and say it. Some villagers in Amufi, some part in Amufi, the villagers don't pack their property, run away, leave the house. The house is empty. They don't learn. And Fulani has conquered the land. And you call yourself a governor. You don't want to stand up to give speech to condemn the evil that is happening in your state. It's a very shameful thing to you. If other pastors, other reverend fathers, other ministers of God, if they will tell you it shall be well with you, it shall not be well with you. Highest only thing you can do to me is for you to use your political power to arrest me. That's the only thing you can do. But if you use your political power to arrest me, God of heaven will use heavenly power to judge you. There are slaughtering people, you don't care. If you don't want to do a work of governor, you come out from that seat. Look at these children now. These small children have been slaughtered. They have died. Their sister don't die. Their mother don't die. One family don't lose their family members. This Boko Haram and Fulani Heřdsmán, they have made some mothers become motherless and fatherless in Nigeria. And all of you are rejoicing. Rejoicing what? Nigeria need to declare state of emergency. You people are here talking nonsense in government house in Asoloko. Stealing the Nigerians' money. Where people are dying, Nigeria has become burial ground. And all of you are there looking for a second terror. Vote for me. God will judge all you Nigerian politicians, blood-sucking demon. These people that we are seeing, they have been slaughtered by Fulani Heřdsmán in Benue State. They are for one family, mother, children, we are slaughtered by Fulani Heřdsmán. Look at what is happening in Benue State. Every day by day, mass burial. On 14th of this month, June 2025, more than 200 Christians were slaughtered in Benue State. And President Tinubu cannot even speak. You are condemning what is happening in Israel and Iran. Here in Nigeria, mass burial is going on in Nigeria. You cannot come out and speak up. Even the governor of Benue State, Reverend Father, you cannot stand up to condemn what is happening in your state. Now, because of very dark man visited Benue State yesterday, that is what all of you are talking. But in Benue State, they have been slaughtering people, Christians, most especially Christians, since months. And you, governor, you don't want to stand up to condemn it. You keep silent, and you are Reverend Father, you are one of God. You cannot come out to condemn the evil that Fulani Heřdsmán are committing in your state. The former governor of Benue State, I respect that man a lot. I respect that man. I respect that man. The way that man is condemning evil. Reverend Father, I'm giving you respect. I don't want to talk to you anyhow because of your Reverend Father. If you are not Reverend Father, if not because of Reverend Father you are, the way I will talk to you, you will not like it. I just respect that oil. Do the right thing you're supposed to do. Do the right thing. You are a man of God. And they are slaughtering your people. Mass burial. Even yesterday, this 15th of June, they went out, the youth went out to do protests. And all of you are throwing them tear gas, shooting them gun. May God have mercy upon this country called Nigeria. Wicked countries. Since 2019 today, no solution. No solution. Now all of you, all these evil politicians, blood-sucking demon politicians that are sitting in Attâck, you people are the sponsoring this Fulani Heřdsmán and Boko Haram. Upon all the crime these people they commit in Nigeria, slaughtering people, we never want condemn cow. Cow, they move everywhere in Nigeria. And they are using it to slaughtering people. All of you are protecting them. All these politicians, all of you that are sitting in Attâck and all the government house, God must judge all of you one by one. More than 200 people we are slaughtered in Benue State in 2 days ago, and everybody keeping silent. It's a very shameful thing to Nigerian politicians. It's a very shameful thing to all of you, one by one. We just blood-sucking demon politicians. God will judge all of you. Wicked generation. And all of you fear, I don't care. Even Tinubu condemning what is happening in Iran and Israel. But Nigeria is on fire. Nigeria is on fire. Secret war. War is going on in Nigeria.
Jami'an tsaro ko ne aka yi Allah ka kafa mataki akan dabbobi don an zo ba a ga mutum ba a je a yi hannu. Ranar da dabbobin masu ta kare mu ma hakan Boko Haram ba mu. Ka aje bindiga baka da sanuwa. Da wanda bai ce zuwa can. Idan ya tashi nan kusa zai yi ci ai wani ayi. Ya aka yi aka bashi. Kana ce tsoro ne. To a gaida gaba daya. Gaskiya ne. Dan uwan shi wanda ya karin shi biyo shi ba ruwan. Amma dai na inda kuka aka yi kafa aka dangare har kan kai ya kai abin da zai ya tura ya yi kafa akara inda ba zaman lafiya na kai ma ana iya kamar to ni dai kun ji shawara ta don Allah ba ni bane ya kawo wannan korafi kuma hukumomin na karamar hukuma abin Allah don Allah ku tsaya ku tsakanin su da Allah kan mu ma kuma za mu tsaya tsakanin mu da Allah ba mu yi shirka ba don wani kai ana shi kuke ta hana wani sai ya su ta kanka sai ya dawo ya boye na shi ya ji na wani wanda ka ga kamar kwanuka aka kama mamu yaro suka ce a fice shi aka iya ni ma na ce to shi kana mun mu wanda duka ba gobe ya ni don abubuwa ake ana mai da martani abin ya hito a kuma mun cewa gaban mu kun ya kamata kuma muna kita mun suna jin daɗi ga Allah shi ba a hada mu ka ne
Hello? Ba za su ƙara wani abu ba. Ba shi wani. Yanzu batun shi kudin waken da aka mai kudi kace ya ba za ku ƙara wani abu ba sama.
Kuma daga bangaren gwamnati za mu bayani idan daga bangaren malamai
Na'am. Lafiya lau alhamdulillah.
bayani ya bayani
ba ka zo ku gasa da shama
godiya ta tabbata da Allah wanda ya hada mu wannan guri domin
wato na
Dan bari ku bani minti bari kira ne shi gane ku bani minti.
kana da wani waje
kuma ya zama dole mu yi
Da bani minti zan kira ka.
bangaren gwamnati ya yarda da wannan
Bari zan kira ka.
ba da jama'a ba za a fito da kwamiti wanda
My people, welcome back as you have watched that video. As an Igbo man that is watching this video today, or you are from Southeast or the place they call Sasat, or you are from the Middle Belt and other part of Nigeria watching this video, I want you to ask yourself one question. What is the government doing with the bandits? What is the government doing with the Fulani Heřdsmán and people where they carry people go buy them for inside bush? And the innocent citizens that feel concerned, that said, no, this is no good, oh, they will not be the victim and they will catch, the government will catch them and arrest them. What is the crime of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Is because he see tomorrow and exposed tomorrow. That is why Fulani are still holding Nnamdi Kanu today. Some people will say, see some Igbos are holding Nnamdi Kanu. No, they are using them. Fulanis are using them to hold Nnamdi Kanu and also using the Nigeria government to hold Nnamdi Kanu. So you see that the country we call Nigeria is no longer the country we all know.